Hello guys, for today's video, luluto tayo ng bulgogi Korean foods. Look at this. Yee, geng geng. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng leeks. Tapos, pag malapit na maluto guys, nag-blend lang ako ng apple, um, onion, bawang, luya. Tapos minarinate ko na guys, toyo or tikuman. Tapos merin. Yun lang guys, thank you. See you later.